guys, so today is snow day. As you can see, this is our driveway. It's so thick. The snow is like 25 to 30 centimeters. And look at outside. It's beautiful there. Yeah, there's no car coming or whatever. I am working right now and waiting for our people to come help me, but then I don't think they're coming to help me because there's no way that they can come. And yeah, the driveway is still like not clean yet, so we're waiting for the people. But it's beautiful. I love it. So pretty. It's just so thick right here and here. And yeah, this is all the way to the lake down there, right there. And yeah, it's a snow day. I haven't seen this for like 10 years here in Canada, so this is my first time to see the snow like this. Nice beautiful trees right there. There's car coming. And yeah, this is a good time for making the snowman. It's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Going down by the lake. Oh my god, it's so high. The snow, it's ice in the water. That's my client's house. And this view is from her bedroom, so this is the outside patio. And you can see the snow is like so high. It's like 40 to 60 centimeters, I think. It's playtime. Here's a beautiful sunset I think I'm loving this snowy storm, but I feel so sorry for those who make it work today, especially my family and friends and Jay as well. But good job, my love, for shoveling or driving for 3 hours and then you passed out. I'm just lucky that I have to do a straight duty for today, so I'm stuck here at work and enjoying the snow and the sunset. So I hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.